Most people think the 9-5 or 8-4 job is a safety net. But for a financial rebel, it's actually the most dangerous financial trap of all. Most people. Because when your entire survival depends on one paycheck, you're not secure. You're dependent. Today, I'm showing you the exact exit strategy to stop trading your life for a paycheck and salary and start building a financial empire and
reclaim your financial freedom that works for you even while you're still at your desk.
This is not about quitting tomorrow. This is about reclaiming your power starting today. Welcome to Wealth Empire TV. Let me introduce you to two characters with different financial ideology. This is Sam's standard. Sam believes a good job is security. I'll invest when I make more. I deserve this lifestyle upgrade.
And this is Riley, a financial rebel. Riley believes, my job funds my freedom. I buy assets before I buy status. Money should work harder than I do. And
Sam works 40 years to retire cautiously. Riley builds assets for 10 to 15 years and exits strategically. The difference? It's not income, it's mindset. Ask yourself this important question. Are you Sam or are you ready to become Riley? Before you escape, you need to clean up. Most 9-5 or 8-4 lifestyles have hidden leaks. Let's expose them. Leak number 1, commute costs, gas, car maintenance. I deserve coffee because traffic was stressful. Leak number 2, convenience spending, DoorDash, impulse Amazon buys, subscription stacking. Leak number 3, lifestyle inflation. You got a raise and immediately upgraded your expenses. Enter Sam's standard again.
I work hard. I deserve it.
Yes, you deserve peace, not 30 years of payments. Enter your rebel move. This week, find one trap expense, just one. Cut it. And redirect that money into your freedom fund. Not savings, freedom, small moves, big shifts. Let's clear something up. An emergency fund keeps you safe. A freedom fund buys your resignation. They are not the same thing. Your freedom fund is capital designed to build income-producing assets. It's your bridge from employee to owner. And before Sam says, your freedom fund...
I don't make enough to invest. Excuses! Start with what you have.
Let me remind you, I've shown you how to start with $5. $5 consistently invested over time builds behavior. Behavior builds discipline. Discipline builds wealth. Let me remind you about the amount. It's about identity. When you fund your freedom account every week, you're telling yourself, I am building my exit. I am starting small. I am automating it, and I am protecting it. I am starting. Now we build the engine, while you're still employed. Low friction, low drama, high consistency moves. This could look like automated savings, a side project. 1. Dividend stocks. 2. Index fund investing. 3. Digital products. 4. Rental partnerships. 5. Monetize skills online. 6. Microside businesses. Not all at once. Always remember that consistency beats intensity. Riley Rebel invests every month. Sam waits for extra money to invest. The truth is that extra money never comes. If you are financial rebels, you will build assets quietly. Here's the rule. If what you use your money for doesn't generate income or grow in value, it's probably that you are doing the wrong thing. Invest in assets first. Years to come, your assets will fund your lifestyle. So, lifestyle comes second. This is exactly how the snowball starts. Smash the like button, share and subscribe to this channel because we will guide you to financial freedom. Don't quit emotionally. You exit mathematically. Here's how you know you've won. When your assets generate enough to cover your basic monthly expenses. That's your freedom number. If your basic life costs $2,500 per month and your investments generate $2,500 per month,
You are no longer dependent on a boss. You've shifted power. You don't need millions. You need control. And here's the key.
the rebellion starts long before the resignation letter. It starts when your money stops depending on your time. Let me say this clearly. The 9 to 5 or 8 to 4 isn't evil, but dependence is. This is not about hating your job, it's about outgrowing financial captivity. You don't escape by complaining, you escape by building. One leak cut, one freedom deposit, one asset at a time. That's how empires rise. Now, if you're serious about becoming a financial rebel, I don't want a like, I want a commitment. Drop the word rebel in the comments. Plus the one money leak you're cutting this week. Is it daily takeout? Unused subscriptions? Impulse spending? We are not just watching videos. Plus the building empires. And if this message shifted your mindset, share it with someone stuck in the trap. Let's grow the rebellion. Because financial freedom isn't given. Financial freedom is built. I'll see you in the next mission. Watch this next video. Thanks for staying to the end.